Welcome back to episode 6 of Summer Salad series, and today we are making mango watermelon salad which is bursting with flavors. Let's make it. Start by adding 2 cups of cubed watermelon and 1 large cubed mango into a mixing bowl. Slice up 2 ripe peaches and toss them in too. This fruit combo is the definition of summer. Now squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon and 1 orange right over the fruit. Add just a pinch of salt to bring out those natural flavors and gently toss everything together until it's well coated. Now it's time to assemble. On your serving plate, lay down a bed of fresh rucola. It adds the perfect contrast to the sweetness of the fruit. Spoon that gorgeous fruit mix over the greens and then drizzle with 1 tablespoon of rich tangy pomegranate molasses. This adds depth and a hint of sweetness that ties everything together. Serve it immediately, either chilled or at room temperature. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you can never miss a fresh idea. Thanks for watching and happy eating.